Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Chrome on Linux. So in order to do it, we have to go to our browser, for example Firefox. It is installed by default, so we can choose that. Next, you have to type in Chrome for Linux. We can press the first link, and now we can press on start setup now. Now we can go to the Go to browser packages download page. We have to press on download Chrome, and we have to choose the first option and press accept and install. Now we need to wait. And the downloading is finished. Now we can move on to our terminal. So now we can go to the terminal, and we have to move to our download section, so we can check where we are right now, so by pressing ls. And now we can move to our downloads, so we have to type in cd downloads, basically by pressing tab. We are here, and now we have our installation file right here. And what we need to do is basically to type sudo apt install that, and by pressing the tab on the keyboard we can fill it and press enter and press and type in our password. And now we need to wait for our installation to be completed. It will take some time, but I think it shouldn't be long. If it's at almost 80%, so it's almost finished. And as you can see, it worked. So now we can go to our apps and type in Chrome, and basically our Chrome is working. So now we can type don't sign in, no thanks, more, got it. And as you can see, our browser is working. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.